Okay, so how are pearls really made? The answer isn't what you probably think.
We've all heard the story, right? A little grain of sand gets inside an oyster, and boom, a pearl.
Well, surprise, that's almost always a myth. The real story is actually way cooler.
It's not sand. The real trigger is a tiny intruder, like a parasite that gets trapped inside. See, it's a defense mechanism. The mollusk traps the intruder in a sac to protect itself. Then it coats it in thousands of layers of a substance called nacre, also known as mother of pearl.
And get this, nacre is incredibly light, but it's actually stronger than concrete. Pretty amazing, right?
Now, how this whole process gets started is what divides pearls into two main types. You've got natural pearls, which are total accidents of nature, and then you have cultured pearls.
And when we say natural pearls are rare, we mean it. Fewer than 1 in 10,000 wild oysters has one.
This all leads to a whole world of different pearls. Let's quickly run through the big ones.
First up, South Sea pearls. They're the biggest and rarest, famous for their silvery and golden tones. Then you have Tahitian pearls. We call them black pearls, but they have this incredible iridescent color range.
Akoya pearls from Japan are your classic, iconic white pearl, known for that perfect round shape.
And finally, freshwater pearls. These guys come in all sorts of really interesting shapes and colors. Okay, with all these types, what makes one worth more? It really just boils down to 5 things. Luster, that deep inner glow, is number 1. Then you look at its size, shape, color, and surface.
And when all those things line up perfectly, the price can be insane, like $1.5 million.
So from a tiny irritant to a treasured gem, a pearl is the perfect metaphor for something truly valuable. Which leaves us with one last question. If we can farm them, does that take away some of the magic?